done it in so long. Okay. When you see these crazy symbols like this, it just wants you to get the quotient and the remainder. Now, because there's no coefficient in front of the x here, it's a 1, you could do synthetic division, which this is the factor, so who would the root be if this is the factor? You change the sign, right, for the root. So if
x minus 2.
Yeah, so you just put minus 2 as the root, and then we are going to do synthetic division, but we have to make sure that the exponents go in descending order. You have a 4, a 3. Do you have a 2?
No.
So you got to put 0x squared, and then you have 1, nothing. So you have to put the coefficients. So the coefficient of the x to the 4th when there's nothing there is a 1. Then what's the x to the 3rd?
2.
Then what's the x squared? It's going to be,
4.
well, x squared is 0 because they skipped it. Yeah.
Oh.
This is the hardest type,
Yeah.
And then 4 for the x. You got it? You have to put a placeholder. Now, you bring down the first number, and then you multiply. So bring that, what's negative 2 times 1?
2.
And then you add over here. So 2 minus 2 is
0.
Then you multiply negative 2 times 0, and you get 0, and then you add. Then this seems weird to me. Then you multiply negative 2 times 0, and you get 0, and then you add. Then that you get,
5, 8.
and then you add, and negative 10.
10.
Yeah. So now if you wanted to rewrite this, if it starts with a 4, this is gonna be a 3, a 2, a 1. That's the constant, and then that's the remainder. So if we rewrote this, you don't have to put the 1 in front. It's 1x to the 3rd plus 4, because I'm not gonna put 0x squared, and then it's negative 18
over x
plus 2. Let me check that one. 27. Whenever it looks weird, I always want to see if I made a mistake. They have x to the 3rd plus 4 and then negative 18. Is that what we had? X to the 3rd plus 4 and negative 18. Yeah, it's right. Good?
Yeah.
So this was a good one because you had to put the placeholder in.